new polygonal method of building drawing we're going to see in our Staadpro, right? So we'll design that type of buildings, okay? So how the load factors it's going to take and how it's going to design. If you want to do the really project, you can do this, right? So for that we have open our Staadpro software, go to new project, click on space. So why we are selecting space means it's a three-dimensional one where load supply is also in the three-dimensional, okay? If you take plane or floor, so it will be somewhat 2D to 3D only. So that way we'll take the space. So space is nothing but a halo like in from every side we can see, right? So for that I'm going to give a structure as in building, click on the length is meters, force is kilonewtons, so add beam and finish. So we have opened our software, right? So after that we're going to create our building. So for that creation I'm going to edit, click on X at plane. So for this we're going to take this edit mesh as I'm taking 15 by 15 meters, okay? So after that close this and add. So now we will be able to see the snap node beam cursor, right, point. So for that I'm going to firstly I'm going to select over here, right, somewhat here, right? So this will be my so we have taken our main regions over here. So we'll take over here, here, right? So again press by pressing the control we can get over here, right? So I'm going to take it again over to the 2 meters. Click on control. So now I'm going to select over like this, okay? So I need to connect some beams over here. So I'm going to connect this as so it's not possible, right? So for that if you want to add, so we need to close this one. So we don't require any of this, right? So it's not looking nice. So I'm going to remove this. It's not required. So after that I'm going to select my whole structure, go to translation and repeat. So this is my 3 meters what y direction, and I'm going to take this as my 8 floors. Click on link steps, on OK. Now delete this one and OK, so it will be deleted, right? So after that I'm going to go to general. So firstly I will add some node points further. So select cut section, assign to view. Now select the structure, click on 3D. Now we will add the generate surface mesh. Okay. So it has added, right? So sorry for this. So I wanted opening this one. So this will be my mesh. Okay. So but I think it will come down to the whole structure, right? So for that, if you take 4-node plate, so right, you can assign this 4-node plate over here, right? One, two, three, and that 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for this condition, so node cursor will take only 4 points, right? So after that, so here also we have 4 node points. So this is our surface, this 8 node. So I'm going to take the surface. 4, 3, 5, and 6. So again for this one. Okay. So go to geometry, right? So we have created all our surface meshes. Now go to 3D. So here we can see our plates and meshes, right? So for that, what we have to do, now we have to select our node cursor, select all this, go to translation repeat, 3 meters, of how many steps? 8 steps, along y direction, click on OK. So all the plates will be generated for cover all the floors. So now here we can see all our plates. So now we will go to general, go to the front view. So go to supports, click on create, add, select the supports and drag over here, assign and S. Go to 3D, our supports have been assigned. Okay. So after that, go to property, go to define, to rectangle. So here I am going to take this as my 4 by 135. Add. So select the thickness, size for 125, add. Now select this one, auto select, mesh balance to right, assign and S. So this one for our matrix result. So I'm going to take a plate thickness, assign to view, assign and S. select any surface, assign as. So the surface we don't need anything, right? So go to 3D. So if we go to 3D, so we can see over there, right? So the building structure we can see over here, right? So after that, we need to add the loads and definitions. Okay. So for this, we're going to take the wind. Also go to wind definitions, click on add and close. Select those type 1, on add, calculate category 3 or 2, click on OK, add and 1, add and close. Select this exposure 1, assign to view, assign and yes. Save this. Assign and yes. So it has been assigned, right? Now go to load case, go to add the dead load. Now I'm going to take the live load, wind, WZ, add on close. On dead load, on add, go to member load. So here we need to calculate, right? Go to calculator. Three point five. So and again of 3.0625. Click on add. So after that, so select over this point 0.3 into 0.3 into 25. So how much it's of minus 2.25. Add and then our surface thickness 0.125 into 25 and it is 3.125 minus 3.125. Add and close. Go to sulfate, assign to S. So it will be assigned, right? So I think we have assigned all the properties. No. So there is some missing properties. Go to by missing attributes, missing property. So select all this, assign and yes. It has been assigned, right? Go to live load. Load loads. Minus 3. On add and close. So this here. You can see the loading condition, right? So now